Hi.
Looks like you're already ready and spiffy for your appointment.
Sure am. Even though I ain't going.
What are you getting done today?
I'm having my mammogram and a urine test.
For drugs?
Yep.
Be smoking crack when you're in California?
No.
Alright, we're gonna have pan sliders, cheesesteak with onion rings.
Oh man. Sure.
Bam! Look at that. Mm.
Holy Toledo. The girls are gonna have one of these.
Yeah, after their punishment, they're in trouble right now. There's a napkin with your cookies.
No, but I always get an extra one. Thank you.
You already tasted it?
Yeah, it's good. Even though I don't like cheese, that's good.
It's gonna come on the bottom.
It's all over. Even
It's gonna
up
fall.
here.
It's gonna fall. You gotta hold it. That's why I gave you a fork too, in case you make a mess. I should have got your bib.
So what's on the agenda for today? Besides go to a doctor's.
Well, hopefully the
Oh, you have to
door's
get your
open and
meds.
shit. Huh?
You have to go get your meds.
Oh, I know. I know that. But
And I gotta get my 2 shots.
I ain't worried about all that. I'm worried about
You
the
haven't
car
got-
starting, the doors opening. Then once we get in the car and get the car started, because the battery's dead, then we'll be alright getting everywhere. Because we're gonna get all that new. We can get a new battery, new cables for the battery, and then eventually we gotta get the doors fixed and back tires and change spark plugs.
Yep.
And we're good to go for another trip.
I don't know about that.
Take a lot out of you.
Sure did.
Your
Man.
napkins covering your food. You can't see your food. Your delicious food.
Yep, it really took a lot out of me. I was down for 2 days. I gotta start stopping more often. I'm getting down. At least stretch my legs. So it won't hurt my back. That was what was hurting more, was my back.
Because you did too much drugs when you were younger.
Stupid. I don't know what those are except for my prescribed ones. I wonder what's her name is next door. Hope she's okay.
Angela, she's good.
Yeah,
She was already walking around.
she's still in the hospital?
No, she's out of the hospital. She was outside
Oh.
yesterday. Seen her.
That's good.
She only stood like overnight in the hospital, I think.
For a stroke?
But she was like for 3 days she was like got weak and stuff. She's gonna have to get a walker or something.
Yeah.
'Cause Her legs are very weak.
It takes a lot out of you, believe me. Gotta come home, make my, well, I more or less know it in case I go to the dollar store and to the, we're not going to Walmart till probably Friday or Saturday.
Oh, we gotta go to Walmart probably today. We gotta go a few places, depending on if the car starts and stuff.
Um,
We're making all these plans. We gotta get car started before we go anywhere. The battery's dead. That's why I parked inward. But first thing first, we're gonna go to a doctor appointment.
oh gosh. I was gonna cancel it, but I said no.
What is that? The bottom of your food or what?
What?
What you're eating?
It's my food.
How come it's so skinny? That's only a bottom piece or what?
No, I smashed it.
You're a smasher?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Delicious, delicious. Recommended?
Mm-hmm. But I can only eat one, so I'm gonna leave the other one for the babies.
They're gonna eat cheese.
Hmm?
They eat cheese?
Yeah. Those two eat anything.
They're not eating their food.
But if you put some of this in there, they will. Mm. My favorite.
Onion rings?
Anthony wanted onion rings and Jamie forgot to order them. He kept saying, "Where's my onion rings? Where's my onion rings?" And
I'm just glad you got to see him
yeah,
with street clothes and stuff.
yep, he looks good. Gotta get him some more of those clothes. He can hardly wait to get out so he can come and visit us at the house. He said, "You have to make him some tamales." You, not me. You.
I can make tamales.
He said, "I want to see what kind of food you guys eat." I said, "We don't need tamales. Only maybe in the wintertime for Christmas, that's about it. But we don't really eat them." He's just happy he's out of the prison.
Yeah, he's happy to be out and about, you know what I mean? And I mean, 32 years, that's that's a long ass time.
The guys that smoke, they have to smoke outside. They have to go outside and smoke.
Cigarettes?
Yeah, and they're only allowed one cigarette a day. And they have to get it from the people in the front.
So you shouldn't smoke. But,
Anthony goes, "I'm glad I don't smoke."
alright, we're gonna finish up and go to the doctors.
Bye, everybody.
We love you.
Love you too. Have a good day.